We're pleased to welcome David Aranzábal, founder of tradingforaliving.com and currency expert since 2004. David is going to be giving us his view for the European Central Bank announcement on May 2nd. David, after Tuesday's weak Eurozone PMI data, the consensus is now upping its bets for a 25-point reduction in interest rates. Do you share that view?
Hey Jason, first of all, thank you for having me. Well, actually, I think the actual consensus it keeps being in about keeping the interest rate. It's okay that, or it's correct that the head of the Dutch central bank he had said this week that he has opened the door for a rate cut because the European economy is not really good. So it's going to be like extra stimulus. And this week, UBS and Nomura are heading for a rate cut. The rate cut, it will be 25 points, a quarter of point. And it could be, we don't know if in the next meeting that it takes on May 2 or in June 4. So we don't know yet what's going on.
So you're not 100% sure that it's actually going to occur at this meeting. They might wait until the June meeting.
I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, the meeting is going to be next Thursday, and 1 week in the forex market is like 1 year in another market. So it could change quite fast in the last days just before the European meeting.
Of course. Okay, also, apart from the rate cuts, do you expect any other type of accommodative measures that the ECB might take instead of the rate cuts or along with the rate cut?
I don't think so. ABC said in September what the future of the bonds in Spain will be about buying a massive amount, but yes, if the Spanish government is asking for that, otherwise it's not gonna move a single euro. So I think the accommodative program is gonna keep much the same.
Okay, and your forecast for the reaction in the euro dollar?
Well, I mean, if the consensus is that and the reaction is that there is not going to be any rate cut, I think it's going to be good for the euro dollar, and euro dollar could go up. The level 130 has been maintaining for the last 2 months very good. I am really surprised about how euro dollar is keeping that rate, and I'm pretty sure that it will go up till 132. 132 is a resistance level in daily charts, so I think it's going to be harder to break that level, but at least it can reach that level of 132. On the other hand, if there is a drop and there is a red cut of 1/4 of point, it could go down, and in going ahead to different levels, 129, 128. Jason, you know, in the forex market, the double zero is a very good support point in the forex market. So we could see a slow movement going down, 129, 128. There are around 300, 400 pips before breaking daily supports.
Okay, so you're looking at those support levels. Also, do you have any other trading recommendations in other currency pairs based on the ECB event next week?
Well, for aggressive traders looking for news trading, we can have a lot of opportunities at 12:45 GMT. It's just when the news are released. And if there is not any surprise, we've got at 13:30 at GMT the press conference, the Mario Draghi press conference. So they should give us any idea about what's going on, and if the next movement is going to be on June 4. So we can expect for intraday traders movements on that day, but if there is a surprise, it's a good opportunity for swing traders, because we we should have a wave movement in 60 minutes charts for at least 1 week.
All right. Thank you very much, David.
Okay, thanks, Jason.